Hello everyone, my name is Max Smeets and I'm co-director of VIRO Roots. In this explainer, we are going to talk about the lessons learned from Russian cyber operations in Ukraine. Can cyber operations disable military systems? Can they deter adversaries? Can they produce decisive strategic effects? Can they fundamentally change the character of war? The war in Ukraine matters because it gives us one of the clearest real-world opportunities to examine those questions in practice. First, it allows us to observe how a major cyber power actually operates under wartime conditions. Russia has long been regarded as one of the most capable cyber actors, and Ukraine provides really a rare opportunity to see how those capabilities are used under these real operational pressures. Second, the conflict highlights how cyber operations interact with broader military and political strategy. Cyber does not really operate in isolation. Instead, it functions alongside conventional military operations, intelligence collection, electronic warfare, and information operations. And then third, the patterns emerging from Ukraine unlikely to remain confined to this conflict alone. They really shape our collective expectations about how cyber capabilities may be used in future wars and elsewhere.